Pay attention, you got 11 cars in their charades. Here we go on the sound of the tone. Easy, guys, easy. Everybody just work together. Everybody work together. Oh, I need one more turn marshal, guys. If I get one more turn marshal, out there, guys, on that last remaining orange bucket, guys, I thought I looked around. I just did a glance. If I get one more. I know you guys always volunteer, but I do need one. So whenever your guys is, you guys gonna wait until the race is over before. That's all right. Caution the triple, caution the quad, caution the triple. Oh. No, I thought we were getting a volunteer, but nope, they're still not. Nope, maybe nope. Now you are. No, are you backing out? I still don't have a person at the one spot now. At the front door. Now we're missing at the front door. They're all moving around trying to catch the cars. You guys are over there playing tiddlywinks. I know. I'm messing with them. I know they did that, and then they still didn't show up. You got Gavin Luke in that number 1 spot with Nick Nilon in the number 2 spot. Gavin Luke in the green and yellow through the table, up and down, coming down the back straightaway. Jerry Campbell in the spec slash out there. Oh, man, that's Nick. Nick in that blue. That's a very nice paint job. Caution that goes to the inside, inside. Caution the quad. Oh, man, nice save. Turn marshals are working their butt off out there for you. Gavin, man, he's whiskey throttling it right now, going every which direction. Nick looking now take over that number 1 spot. Gavin's going to the number 2. Jeffrey 3. Richard 4. Phoenix in the 5. Finn in the 6. Carson 7th. Ethan 8th. Ryan 9th. No start out of Eric. And Jerry Campbell in his number 1 spot. Jerry Campbell running a spec slash car out there. He's just getting some track time. Thank you very much. As a reminder, guys, we are here tomorrow to try and get those last-minute Christmas sales, guys. Rain Man's needs everything we can to get all your guys' sales in, guys. So please remind everybody, give us an opportunity. Come shop with Rain Man's Hobby and Raceway, your local indoor RC racing facility, guys. 1 of 3 in California. For the racer, by the racer, guys. So every time you purchase, please give us an opportunity, guys. Caution on the back straightaway, guys. The cars are shooting everywhere out there. Nick Nilon and Gavin Luke. Now we got Jeffrey Calantes moving into the number 2 spot in front of Gavin. I think Gavin. Yeah. Gavin in the green and yellow. Let's catch up with
2 minutes
Jeffrey.
left.
Jeffrey in the all yellow truck. Nick Nealon in that. Nick Nealon in that nice blue truck with the white flames on it right by the quad. Jeffrey in stop mode right there. Here comes Gavin. Gavin getting closer to Jeffrey. Oh no, Gavin comes up a little bit short. Pitcher in the number 4 spot. Pitcher in the light yellow to white. Thank you, Mr. Fetty. Nick Nilon, Jeffrey Calantes, Gavin Luke, 1, 2, and 3. Richard Pitcher 4, Phoenix in the 5, Carson Conway in the 6, Flynn in the 7, Ryan in the 8th, Ethan in the 9th, Eric in the 10th, and Jerry Campbell in his number 1 spot.
Left.
Jerry Campbell 11 on our 507. That would put him 3rd in this group. Jerry running a spec slash car, getting track time out there, guys. He may come to me and go, man, that was a rough one. But no skin off the teeth for him on this one. Not going to cost him anything. Caution. 30 seconds to go, guys. Cars hung up everywhere out there. Oh, no, we got one. Nobody on. Oh, that's going to be. Oh. This could be Phoenix.
All drivers
That's
are
the race,
finished.
guys. Everybody is done.
The race
So
is
Gary Campbell,
completed.
TQ and win. Good job, sir. Then Nick Nillen taking the number 1 spot with Jeffrey in the number 2, Gavin 3, Richard 4, Flynn in the 5, Phoenix 7th, Carson 8th, Ryan 9th. I'm sorry, no, that's wrong. Carson 7th, Ryan 8th, Ethan 9th, and Eric 10th.